guys, what's up? Well, wait a second.
I have no likes, no views, no subscribers, not even comments. I can't really be talking to the camera as if I have any friends. Do I need an intro? This is gonna be so much editing.
Nunchucks are my favorite. They're my favorite. They're my favorite. Yeah, what's up?
Dad's camera?
Today I'm going to be teaching you the ancient art of not pounding your face in with one of these. Of course, I am talking about the nunchucka, 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 nunchuck, nunchucka, nunchucku. The frickin' nunchucku. Frick!
Now, a few things before we get on. The nunchucks are really good to use when you want to look cool. Kinda like me. Like, if you have no friends, kinda like me, you can whip out these two sticks and go, hey! Wanna be my friend? Also, before we get on, make sure to smash that like button down below and subscribe because, well, I just need the money, okay? Okay, to start off, what you will need to do is learn the starting position that you will find in most nunchuck movies or tutorials. Now, it looks like this, where one of the sticks connected by the rope that creates the nunchucku is supported under your armpit here. Now, this is usually the starting position when you start doing some nunchuck stuff like this, and you always go back to it as well. And now, you might have seen other starting positions in Bruce Lee films like this, and I think I saw in like a Kung Fu Panda film once where it was like this, where I've never actually heard before, but it's actually very useful because of its fast release method. Now, if you look closely at my arm here, I'm pulling on the other stick. With that, I let go of the chuck with my arm here, and it flies forward, and with the extra momentum of my arm flinging it forward, it goes super fast and would definitely knock someone out. Now, but we're not going to learn that today. We're probably going to learn that in another lesson. What I'm going to teach you today is this, and it's first frontal strike that you should learn to, if you're ever in a fight with nunchucks, which I hope you're not getting into fights, is this, where you release, go forward and catch back under your armpit. Now, to do this, you'll probably have to step up with your ability until you can get to this level, if you know what I mean. So, well, a practice that I like to do when I was starting out with nunchucks is just this. Just going down and over your arm here so it can bounce up and back down. Just this. Because it's good to practice your nunchucks flinging out off your armpit. Then the next thing that you have to learn is actually catching it back into your armpit. So what you're going to do is just, do a little bit of spirals just to train your mind to know where the nunchuck's always going to be. And if you point the stick that you're holding and point it with correct momentum, this one will follow. So point it there, or in my armpit, this one will follow into my armpit. So just do your spinning, know where the nunchucks are, point this chuck at any moment into your armpit, and this will follow, and bam. Just there, catch. Yeah? Now, what I want you to do now is just sort of like that, but just out, spin, back in. As many spins as you want, just when you feel that it's ready, and back in. Now progress from there, obviously, and then just do maybe two circles, one circle, no circles. Easy as that. Now when you're starting out, you may find that when you fling out, the stick that you're flinging out will be quite wobbly. That doesn't happen with me anymore because I've been doing this for a little while, but that might happen to you. The best way to get rid of that wobbliness is just to keep on doing it and get faster at it. It's okay just to go really slowly at the start. That's actually probably the best option. And just get faster, faster, faster. Anyway, so what you might need to do so you don't whack your head is to point this one a fair way away from your armpit, or you'll catch the rope instead of the stick, and this one will fling back and whack you in the head. I'll give you an example of it. That actually hurt, by the way. Son of a... That hurt. I didn't actually swear back then, by the way. I just went... And I just like added a little sound effect in. I didn't actually swear. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mum. Now another thing that I learned on myself, I think originated from this move, and that is instead of going frontal like this, you go to the side a little bit. This might be more helpful to like whack them in the side of the head in that little squishy part there where they can like, I don't know, die. Don't kill anyone. I'm not telling you to kill anyone. Don't kill anyone. So, to the side like this, and it's basically the same as going front, but you're just going side to this a little bit and pointing it instead of front, the stick, instead of pointing it at the front, you go around like this and catch it back in here. Now, I'm sure that if you're good enough at doing this, then you should be able to catch the stick while going in a vertical, horizontal, I failed math. Anyway, that way position into your armpit like that. And it is very useful because it can go very fast. Because it's sort of easier to go faster this way than going front on, if you know it. So that's all for today from me. Just like before, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Well, I actually don't know if I'm going to make another video. We'll just see how this one goes. I might make another one. Actually, yeah, I'll make another one. You should subscribe because I'm making another video. Woo! Yeah, that's all.
Forget you was just a waste of time. Baby, come back. Any kind of fool could see.